Hey guys, welcome to question FM196 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Shakira took out a reducing balance loan of $71,000 to pay for hip replacement surgery. Interest was charged at a rate of 9.3% per annum compounding biannually. Her loan will be fully repaid in 4 years with equal biannual payments. After 3 years, how much of the $71,000 will Shakira have repaid? Write your answer correct to the nearest dollar. So, we're going to do this in 2 stages in Finance Solver. That might not be apparent straight away, but what you'll find is that if you were trying to calculate how much she has repaid, you're going to need to figure out how much she owes after 3 years. And the problem that you would probably run into if you haven't thought to break it down into 2 parts is that you wouldn't have known what the payment was in order to, once you put in your 6 months, 9.3%, you'd know that it was $71,000, and you knew that you were calculating for future value with 2 and 2, you would have run into the problem where you don't know what the payment is, so what the payments are being made are, so you can't solve for FV because you've got 2 unknown values there. So we need to think to ourselves, well, how can we figure out what that payment is? Well, what we do know is that this loan is paid off after 4 years. So if we change our Finance Solver slightly and we use 8 to use the full 4 years, we know that we've got a 9.3% interest rate. We're borrowing $71,000. We don't know the payments, but we know that after 4 years, our future value is 0. Still with 2 and 2 for the compounds and payments per year, biannually. So we can actually solve for the payments here and then use this solution for payments over in our sort of next step of the question. So if you plug these conditions into Finance Solver, you should get biannual payments of $10,830, and I'm rounding my answer, but of course you can just leave it as it is in Finance Solver with, I think it's 0.349 and then some more decimals. And we're going to use that same value over here to help us find out what the future value is after 3 years. So now we have the payments, the future value. If we plug these conditions into Finance Solver, we should get an answer of negative $20,238.38, which of course means we still owe $20,238.38. Now, we are asked for the total amount that Shakira has repaid off her loan, not how much is left still owing on it. So we take the original $71,000 that she owed, subtract the amount that she still owes, and that should give us 0.62. So $51,761.62 is how much she has repaid, but of course we've been asked to take this to the nearest dollar. So the answer is $51,762. If you guys have any questions about that answer, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.